On January 7th, I found myself mindlessly scrolling through my Twitter feed, and while I scrolled down, I came across an account named Naya. Her profile picture caught my attention, and I found myself gazing at it. I said to myself, oh my God. This girl is gorgeous.
How many do you have on Instagram?
Why are you exaggerating? I don't have any.
Facebook.
Tease.
How many? Tell me.
You know I don't date. I'm just entertaining them.
If you want to sleep, then you can sleep. I'm sure you have another way you're going to get your transportation to go and write your exam for.
Naya, I know you don't care. It's a hit and run movement you've been doing. What are you talking about?
Tell everybody I hit and run.
Of course.
Chagai, the level you play,
That be all.
he play.
That be all.
I don't know what is wrong with my cousin. I asked him for some money to fulfill my exam bills next week. He promised to give it to me, but then I don't know why he's acting all up.
Opa okwan wa kire nse nipa na nka obeji ska ono ono oba na esu opi oba obefro obe keep waiting ade be sa no obeda na onya ho atwa adwuma no a simple move.
No, I've moved on, so you don't have to be sorry.
Oh, sorry. I hope you're good. Oh, solid.
Baba God. Makabayandi, bayandi. Akimo.
Oba obefru bia no anytime you feel no be manifu. Obefru bia no anya airtime a se no skama mi ko to bia.
That's my favorite color.